Hi guys, welcome all to the Max lecture series. So in this series, we will be trying to obtain the double integration of various different functions. So in the last class also we have been observed some function. In the today class, we are going to observe same kind of function but in different way. See, if you observe the given question is the volume under the surface z x comma y equal to x plus y and the above triangle and above the triangle in xy plane defined by first they are taking y, its correspondent limit is given as 0 to x, and second they are defining x and its limit is defined as 0 to 12. So here we are required to estimate the volume under the given surface in terms of double integral. So how should I do this? See, if you observe limit itself, only two limits were given. So they have given above xy plane, they told that they are considering the volume under the surface and above triangle in xy plane defined. It is given as what? So we are trying to estimate the volume in terms of double integral. Let us look into the solution for this function. Directly nothing is there. You know, the required volume can be directly explored in terms of x and y. First you have to write in this way. If you observe, x is simply defined in terms of variables without just values without any variables. But if you observe y is defined like this 0 to x. Then the function is z into, anyway double integration means we are going to integrate with respect to x as well as we are going to integrate with respect to y and its correspondent function. Usually we will be writing it in terms of f of x comma y instead of writing f in place of x. Now they are considering z. So that's why I am putting z here directly, whereas the value of z is already given as x plus y. That's all. Now it's time to bring down the answer for this. 0 to 12, 0 to x, z can be replaced by x plus y into dx and dy. That's all. See, that is how we are defining the given data. Nothing is there. Just they have given the volume and its corresponding function is given, and they have also given its corresponding limit. So directly we are exploring it answer. Okay sir, fine. Now tell me, with respect to whom we have to start the integration? Actually there are two variables, right? One is x, another one is y. Tell me, with respect to whom we have to start the integration? Sir, it is very easy. I told you, one is specified with just values, another one is specified in terms of variable. The variable is given as x. It means it has been defined as y equal to 0 to y equal to x. That is the actual meaning of it. I simply told you, always observe the variable and start your integration with respect to opposite to that variable. Opposite to x is y. So you have to start integrating it with respect to y. Let us see. If we are integrating this function with respect to y, what will be obtaining? xy plus y square by 2, and then since I have done the integration with respect to y, so y limits are 0 to x. Then we have to complete our integration with respect to x. Now if we continue it from here, I can simply say wherever we have y, that will be replaced in terms of x. So x dot x will become x square plus x power 2 by 2, and observe lower limit will giving us completely 0. So I am not going to consider it. Further, x square plus x square by 2 will become x power 3 by 2, 3x square by 2, 3x power 2 by 2 into dx. Now tell me, what is the integration of x power 2? If I will integrate x power 2 with respect to dx, this will become x power 3 by 2, and limits are going from 0 to 12. That's all. So from here, if we substitute the upper limit will become 12 cube, and if you substitute the lower limit, what you will be obtaining? See, let me substitute. This will become 3 by 2 into 2 will become 4. Then upper limit will give you 12 cube. Lower limit anyway that will be 0. We no need to consider that effect. So if we reduce this, overall this value will become equal to 864. You can cross check once. So always observe the question in a proper way. Whether they are asking double integral or triple integral, just observe it properly. After that you can directly define. So here we are trying to estimate the volume under surface. That's why we are directly going up with the double integral in order to bring the answers. So in your free time, I am just giving some small task. Just identify the difference between line, surface, volume, such that while solving the problem you will be getting the complete idea. What is the difference between line, surface, volume? Just to go through some articles, get some definitions. What is the actual difference between these three people, where we require to apply single integration, where we require to apply double integration, where we require to apply triple integration, and there will be some relations between volume to surface, surface to line. That things will be automatically covered in the upcoming lectures. Your work is just to observe the lecture completely. When you are watching the lecture throughout complete series, automatically while looking into the question you will be getting the idea how to crack that question. Okay, this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.